Hello P1. How are you, my friends? This is Math Lesson 13 of Term 1. We are still matching things. My name is Teacher Naomi. In Lesson 12, we matched pictures to pictures. In this lesson, we are going to match pictures to the right figures. Let us sing our song counting up to 10 before we start the lesson. When I go to school, I greet my teacher. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, my friend. Then we count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Counting up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The pencils we use. Then we count the days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The desks in the class. Then we count the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The trees at the school. Great! Thank you. You feel good when you sing. Do you remember this? What do you see? Yes, cakes. Now let us count and match the same number of pictures. How many cakes are in the first box? Can we count them? That's good. There are 2 cakes. Now let us find the other 2 cakes on the other side and match them. Let us go to the second box. How many cakes are there? Let us count the cakes in the second box. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cakes. Let us match them with the other 4 cakes. Let us go to the third box. How many cakes are there? Let us count the cakes in the third box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cakes. Now let us match them with the other 6 cakes. We are now going to match pictures to the right figures. Look at the first picture. What do you see in the picture? Oh yes, they are dogs. Dogs are good friends. How many dogs are there? Let us count them. 1, 2. How many ears has one dog? Let us count them. 1, 2. Good. How many ears do they have altogether? Count their ears and match them with the right number. That's correct. Again, look at these dogs. How many legs has one dog? Can we count them? Let us count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. One dog has 4 legs. Now, how many legs has 2 dogs altogether? Count them and match them with the correct number. I know you've got the right answer. Let us count the legs once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have 8 legs. Can we match them with the right figure? Look at this picture. Do you know what they are? Guess and tell me. You are right. They are elephants. How many eyes has one elephant? Can you count its eyes? You are right. Let us count them again together. 1, 2. Good. It has 2 eyes. How many elephants are there altogether? Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elephants. Now, how many eyes do they have altogether? Count the eyes and match with the right number or figure. Yes, I know you did it. Let us count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They have 10 eyes. Now match with the right number. Thank you for being good learners. You may open page 14 of your workbook and do the activities on it. Let us sing a song counting up to 10 as we end the lesson. When I go to school, I greet my teacher. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, my friend. Then we count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Counting up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The pencils we use. Then we count the days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.